स्वागत है आपका तपस्या फॉर आईएएस यूट्यूब चैनल पे। We are going to discuss about political organizations and Hindu revivalism. Key points are here. First, advent of modern political organization. Context, like in Bengal, Bihar, Madras, as hub for education and middle class intelligentsia and political activity. Common demands: greater Indian participation, criticism of British administration, dual system, high taxes, monopolies, neglect of public work. Key political organization: chronological and regional. Bengal Landholders Society 1837. Dwarkanath Tagore Lands Owner Right. Bengal British India Society 1843. George Thompson Forerunner to BIA. British Indian Association 1851. Radhakant Dev opposed company policies. Zamindar centric. Indian National Association 1876. Surendra Banerjee Anand Mohan Bose Unified Indians agitated against ICS as Vernacular Press Act, Ilbert Bill, and precursor to INC. In Maharashtra, there was a Pune Sarvajanik Sabha in 1870. G.V. Malvankar Joshi, M.G. Ranade mediated government people, peasant protection, hosted INC's first session. Bombay Presidency Association 1885. Firoz Shah Mehta, K.D. Telang, Badruddin Tayyabzi addressed regional issues. Madras Native Association 1852. Gasula Lakshmi Narsho Chetty Petition against company rule. Madras Mahajan Sabha 1884. M. Virangavacharyar and G. Subramaniam Iyer. P. Anand Charlo. Tax reduction, ISS reform, key in INC formation. Others: East India Association 1896. Dadabhai Naroji, London, influenced British opinion on India. Third is impact of early political organizations. Its positive impact was that unified the diverse voices. First, to political awareness. Example: Drain theory provided blueprint for organizations. Resistance laid foundation for INC. Limitations was high caste, Hindu dominance, Hindu-centric tendencies, Muslim lower caste alienation, limited mass mobilization, some support for British policies. For this, Indian National Congress (INC) and moderates 1885 to 1905. Foundation was 1885. A.U. Hume convenor. First session in Bombay. W.C. Banerjee president. Initial demand: Royal Commission for Administration. Abolished India Council. Expand Legislative Council. Simultaneous ICS exam. Reduce military expenditure. Weaknesses: elite dominated, low Muslim representation, avoided social reforms. Safety wall theory claimed Hume Dufferin created INC to diffuse discontent widely, debunked as a lacking evidence. Moderates' objective: constitutional reform, Indianization of services, economic critique, drain theory, civil liberties. What method they used? They used petitions, resolutions, delegations, prayer and petitions, public awareness through press. What they achieved? Achievement is Indian Council Act was passed in 1892. Limited electoral principle, budget discussion, rights, articulated economic exploration, criticism, political mendicancy, over reliance on British fairness, eliticism, lack of mass mobilization, defense, pragmatic approach, India unready for direct action, laid crucial groundwork for future movement. Hindu revivalism and ideas conference. Prelude, reactions to Western critique, pride in Hindu heritage, idealized Hindu past, regional manifestation, Bengal, Ramakrishna Vivekanand, spiritual revival, universalism, social service, Ramakrishna Mission, infused Hindu pride, Bankim Chand Chatterjee, Anandamath. This Anandamath was inspired from Sannyasi revolt. Bande Matram, Mother Goddess icon, rational Hinduism for nation building. Then is Maharashtra B.C. Tilak, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, opposed as a consent act 1891, utilized Ganapati 1893 and Shivaji 1896, festival for political mobilization and Hindu unity, alienated Muslims in North India. Cow protection movement, Arya Samaj 1893 riots, intensified communal divide, alienated Muslim from INC, Indian National Congress. Hindi Urdu controversy, Syed Ahmad Khan Urdu versus Nagari Pracharani Sabha Hindi and linguistic communalism. Impact of Hindu revivalism, positive, mass mobilization, strengthen nationalist discourse with culture pride, inspired extremist revolutionary movement, negative, alienated Muslim lower caste, deepened communal divide, reinforced obscurantism, contributed to two nation theory. Overall conclusion we will see here. Political organization unified diverse voices, fostered political awareness, culminated in INC Hindu revivalism, infused cultural pride, mobilized masses but also created communal tensions, complicating inclusive nationalism. Both streams fundamentally shaped India's complex independent struggle. So, this is the end of lecture. We will meet in next video. Thanks for watching. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. अगर कोई डाउट है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हैं. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें ताकि ऐसे यूपीएससी फोकस्ड वीडियोस आप तक पहुंचती रहें. थैंक यू एंड जय हिंद.